back. This is Built Mike's Way, and I'm Mike. Today we're going to blow out that back wall to make a barn-style sliding door for the back of the garage. We have a very special project coming in next week, and I cannot wait. It's one of my dream cars. It's not even mine, but I'm in love with it already. Can't wait to share it with you guys. Make sure you tune in and check it out, and we're just going to get right to it and get to work today. Alright guys, I just put that 2x6 up there, that header, to strengthen it when I cut those studs out all across here. That thing is facing straight up and down, so it's going to give it a lot more strength. I'm going to actually put one on the outside for the track system too, so it's going to really help strengthen this when we remove that section of studs. It's really important to make sure you know what you're doing. Do not do this, or don't cut a wall out unless you know what you're doing. You'll regret it. All right, it's coming together. We got the studs to go and the border to put around the whole thing to where the door is actually going to press up to and make a nice seal. We got some treated wood for that, so we're going to put that on. And then we're just about ready to start removing these studs. All right, welcome back. This is Built Mike's Way, and I'm Mike, and we are way behind on the garage door. So we got to get the inside insulated today. Got to get the back put on the garage door so it's completely done, and we'll have that car, the new barn find for you very soon. Alright guys, that wraps it up. Stick around, our barn find's going to be here in just a couple of days, and you're going to want to see this.